Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can start dropshipping on eBay from Walmart. Now I made this video 6 days ago about how you can start dropshipping from CG dropshipping to eBay, and I showed you guys the earnings, how much I made using this business or using this method of making money, which is dropshipping. I showed you guys every single thing on that video and people seem to like it. That's why I'm making another video. As you can see guys, this is my new eBay account. I am doing dropshipping. I am not that kind of like YouTubers who are showing you guys how to make money on eBay without them making money on eBay. So I'm actually doing this business. I have multiple eBay accounts with over 100 feedbacks, 200 feedbacks. So I know guys what I'm talking about. I know how this whole business works. I know every single thing about this eBay dropshipping thing. Okay, now what you guys need to start this business, you can see this is the payment that went to my Pioneer account on November 21, 2023. So this account is working. Like I created this account just to prove that eBay dropshipping is still working. I have my older accounts and they make a lot of money on that account, almost like $7,000 every single month using eBay dropshipping. But I dropship from AliExpress. What I like about AliExpress is they don't add the original logo. They don't add the logo in the package. They don't add the price of the in the package. Like the customer won't be able to recognize that I am dropshipping. That's why I'm using guys AliExpress. Now like I said, I made $7,000, but it's not all profit. The profit margin is around like 20% to 30%, 40%. That's exactly the profit margin. Now to start this business from Walmart, it's the same. From you, like if you can dropship using AliExpress, you can dropship using Walmart. It's the same method, the same business. You just find a product on eBay that is successful, and then you start searching for that exact product on Walmart, and then see if you can make some profit. Now here is what I do guys exactly. I'm going to show you guys step by step on what I do exactly. I go to Walmart, okay, I search for example for gaming desk. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, so as you can see, this is I search for gaming desk or makeup or whatever, and then I search, for example, click on a random product. Okay, and then what you guys need to do, you want to copy the title of this item and you want to search for it on eBay. Now the reason why you need to do this is to find people that are selling this exact product on eBay, because even if it's successful on Walmart, it doesn't mean anything. As you can see, this product has 200 reviews on Walmart, but it doesn't mean anything if people are not interested if people are not interested for this product on eBay, because I am searching if people are going to buy this on eBay, not Walmart. Walmart is proven to work. As you can see, it says here 200 feedback, so people are buying this from Walmart. But what if customers from on eBay are different from customers on Walmart? They are different, they have different mindset, they have different needs. Okay, so I need to make sure this product is getting sales on eBay. So this product seem they look similar. Okay, as you can see guys, okay, they are not the same exactly. So this product is selling for the 3 different variations. It's selling for around $120, and this one is selling it for $89. By the way, this is not the exact product, so you need to find the exact product. Okay, you need to find the same product so that you can start dropshipping the product. You can start listing the product, you can start copying the title, and then the pictures, you want to download them and you want to click on sale in the top right, and then you can start listing the product. Okay, now this is not the product. What you are going to do is you want to search for this product if you can find it, because this product has 200 sales. That means people are interested to buy this product on eBay. That's what we want. And you want to search for that product on Walmart and see if you can find the exact same product that you see here on eBay. You want to find it on Walmart. So as you can see, seems like it's not here, so we are not able to find it here. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are just going to keep searching, and like the meaning of this, like the whole why I am doing this is to find people that dropship from Walmart. Like after you find a product that is dropshipped from Walmart, then you can go to the seller's his store, and then you can start all the listings that he has listed from Walmart, and then you can start seeing which one has the most sales, and then you can start listing the exact same product. And you need to copy the title of eBay seller, not the title. Even if it's the same product, you don't have to copy the title of Walmart seller, because this title is not proven to work on eBay. But the eBay seller has a title that is proven to work. For example, it has 87 sales. That means this title is proven to work. So I'm going to copy the exact same title. Okay. So what you guys need is you need to find people that are doing dropshipping from Walmart. Okay. Now, if you can't find them, what you guys need, let me show you guys. As you can see, it seems like this product, I have seen this product on Walmart. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to search for this exact product. Okay, I'm going to search for this. I'm going to go back. Okay, it seems like it's similar to this product. Okay, they are not the same. Okay, so as you can see, they are not the same. What you guys need is you need to find a product that is similar. You need to go again to Walmart and find, for example, a random product and search for it on eBay so that you can find competitors, your competitors. For example, this one. Okay, I'm going to copy the whole title and search for eBay, search for sellers on eBay who are dropshipping this product. This one is selling it for $12. Okay, we are going to start. We are going to search. Like, this is the only thing about, the only hard thing about eBay dropshipping is to find any product. After you have some experience, it's not going to take you guys long. Like each hour you can find 2 products, 3 products. Okay, so you just need to find, like I said, a random product so that you can find it on eBay. Gaming desk. I'm going to search again for, or just a chair, and I'm going to search for it on eBay. Okay, I'm going to search for this product, and I'm going to copy the title and paste it on eBay and see if we can find this exact product. Okay, they are the same. Like, there are some this product is similar to this one. I'm going to find the exact one. This one, it seems like they are the same. Yeah, this product is the same. Okay, we are going to search, for example, blue. Okay, it's the same. Okay, as you can see, it's the same, and you can start. As you can see, this one has 24 sales, and this one is Walmart is selling it for $41, and the seller here is selling it for $52. The profit margin is a little less because this guy probably this guy is not dropshipping this from Walmart. So this is just an example. This is what I mean exactly, guys. You want to find people that are dropshipping from Walmart, and the profit margin, don't expect it to be higher, because on Walmart, like, there are a lot of competitors compared to AliExpress. What I like about AliExpress is, like, there are less competitors and the profit margin is high. It's very high, like 40%. So if you are selling, if you find this product on AliExpress for 41, you are going to sell it for $70 on eBay. So that's what I like, guys, about AliExpress. So if you want to start dropshipping from AliExpress, click the video on the screen right now, and then you can start dropshipping from AliExpress. I showed you guys every single thing you need to know about how you can start dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. Click the video on the screen right now and drop a like and watch. Like, click the ask me any question in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys next video.